Hey everyone, welcome back to Autodynamic. Today, we have something truly special, the future of performance, innovation, and design. Meet the 2025 Ford GT concept, a machine that redefines the boundaries of speed and aerodynamics. The Ford GT has always been an icon, from its Le Mans winning heritage to its breathtaking road-going versions. But this is something else. A glimpse into the future. Sleeker, more aggressive, and engineered for maximum performance. Let's start with the design. The 2025 GT concept takes inspiration from aerospace technology, featuring an even more aerodynamic body with sharper lines, an ultra-lightweight carbon fiber monocoque, and an active aerodynamics system that adapts in real time. The signature flying buttresses remain, but they've been refined for better airflow and stability at high speeds. Now, what's under the hood? Ford has taken things to a whole new level. Rumors suggest a hybrid-assisted twin-turbo V6, possibly pushing over 850 horsepower, or even an all-electric powertrain delivering hypercar-level acceleration. With Ford's advancements in EV technology, a fully electric GT could be a game-changer. Performance-wise, expect lightning-fast acceleration, razor-sharp handling, and a next-gen suspension system designed for both the track and the streets. And with Ford's continuous innovation, we might see advanced AI driving assistance, customizable driving modes, and a futuristic digital cockpit that immerses you in the experience. But the big question is, will Ford actually produce this beast? While this is just a concept, history tells us that Ford has a habit of turning dreams into reality. Whether it's a limited production run or the blueprint for future supercars, the 2025 Ford GT concept proves that Ford is still at the top of its game. So, what do you think? Is this the Ford GT of the future? Would you prefer a high-performance hybrid or a fully electric version? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you love cars as much as we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from Autodynamic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.